Okay, just a tiny bit left. Hopefully you have that's a -3. If all is good, you should end with a 0 there. If you don't end with a 0, then that wasn't actually a factor or a 0 of the polynomial. Okay, so here we have, so far, our polynomial factored 2, using the 1, that means I divided by x minus 1, and I got a constant, an x squared, and an x cubed this time. 2x cubed plus x squared minus 6x minus 3. Okay, I don't know how to work with that yet to find the zeros of that, but I do know that x minus or x plus a half was a factor of the original, so it must be a factor of this cubic equation. So I'm going to keep going. I'm going to factor this using my k of -1/2. I could rewrite it, but I already have those coefficients here, so I might as well keep on going. Put my -1/2 on the outside. Bring down the 2. Multiply. Okay, you can pause and try it. Okay, hopefully you got the 0 at the end, because again, it is a 0, so it should be a factor and thus have a remainder of 0. And so now I've got my polynomial as x minus 1 from before. I just factored this and factored it to x plus 1/2 times constant x squared, 2x squared minus 6. I want to know the 0, so I want to know that when this equals 0. We already had the one at 1. We already had the one at -1/2. From this, I need to figure out what makes 2x squared minus 6 equal 0. Okay, solving that. 2x squared equals 6. Adding the 6 to the other side, divide by 2. X squared equals 3. Take the square root of both sides, and I get x equals positive or negative root 3. I have 4 zeros. All right, at this point we've finished our notes. I'm going to have Ms. Shag put a couple problems for you to work on if you're done early enough on the board to try this out a little bit more. Another long division and then another one of these. Thanks.